In this video, I'm going to show you how can you change your domain name server that is purchased from HostCreed. So at first log into your client area, HostCreed client area, and go to domains and select your active domain or the domain you want to change the name server. Just click on it and then you can see the full domain overview here. Go to the name server and here you can see you can change your name server from here. There is two options, use default name server and use custom name server. If you are planning to use an external name server that is not from HostCreed, then select the custom name server. And if you want to use the HostCreed default name server, ns1.hostcreed.com and ns2.hostcreed.com, select the use default name server and click on change. Example.com. Then click on save change. Make sure you enter the correct name server, otherwise it will not saved. So after entering the name server, click on change name servers. And now you will get a successful notification. The change saved successfully. If you get an error, that means your name server is either wrong or you have selected, you have entered wrong name server, or it can be other issue. So make sure you have valid name server and you enter it correctly. So this is how you can change name server from HostCreed domain pane.